I just uploaded this but deleted because of copyright issue. So instead of background music, let's dub it instead. Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to change door jump, and the wood we use is Melina. It's a paper tree, and I strongly recommend that you use this kind of wood. It's not because it's cheap, but it has an anti-termites properties that I love most. Just want to share to you guys on how I did in replacing the root 10 or eaten by termites. The chomp that is 20 years old. Yeah, my house is now 20 years old, and these termites who are trespasses and squatting on woody parts of the house are squatters. They are not paying me. How dare these termites live in my house? Okay guys, so it's the reality. Nothing is permanent here on earth. So here is my techniques guys. I use liquid nail and just apply to the jump, and I drill 3 holes for the vertical, same side, and on top I just drilled 1 because the 2 vertical will hold that. And I installed this one by one because there is a sanefa down, a little bit harder for me to install it. Anyway, this is easy because since childhood yours truly knew how to do or how to work with woods, concrete, welding, etc. about civil. It's not new to me because I grew in rural areas where in extreme poverty is what we experience. And when I grew up, I decided to work abroad, so that poverty will not be inherited by my kids. I'll see to it that they are studying in the best school. Education is the best thing we can inherit to our children. Okay, back to the topic. Just tightening the bolt. Same with the other side and the upper one. As easy as that. Let the bolt and the liquid nail holds or bind together. If you have another way on how to do it, please comment it down so some viewers will learn about it. Okay, this is my techniques, my own way of replacing door jump. Feel free to comment guys, suggestion, correction, but no trash talk or any act of bullying. It will not be allowed in my channel. I will easily kick you out in my channel and you will not see it forever. I'm strict. I'm very strict, and I don't want
trash in my channel. If you don't want my rules, I don't need you here in my channel. I do mix content, although my primary content is all about technical, but due to complaint I received from non-technical people, I decided to do mixed content, and I'm very sorry for that. And a lot of my viewers coming from the Philippines, second is USA, third is India, and then followed by Malaysia, Indonesia, and some part of Europe. Thank you very much for participating or coming into my channel, guys. If you have question and suggestion, just comment it down. Please bear with me, and I would like to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
Ito guys, ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung paano magkabit ng doorknob. Okay, kung magkakabit tayo ng doorknob, ito yung kanyang latch assembly. Yung latch assembly is doon sa kung saan siya magko-close. So ito, kung saan siya magko-close. Ganyan natin siya. Ayan. Mamaya natin siya itornilyo. Ayan. And then, ipapasok natin ito. At pagkapasok niyan, ayan, pipisilin ko to guys. Yan. Yung mahaba na yun. Yan, mahaba na yan. Kailangan papasok dito. Yan, papasok dito. So, lalabas ko Yan. Yung gitna. Okay? Gitna yan guys ha. Yan. Para makita nyo. Ayan. Yung gitna. Tatlo yan, tatlo. Ito yung isa. Yan. Isa. Pangalawa, yung gitna. Then, pangatlo. May pangatlo. Yung gitna, yung papasok natin. Bakit po? Tingnan mo. Papasok ko yung gitna. Yan. Papasok natin yung gitna, ha? Yan. Yan. Pag naipasok natin siya, lock natin. Yan. Yan, hindi na mabubuksan unless dito natin buksan. Yun. Again, lock. Once again. Pasok natin gitna, yung gitna lang. Yan. And then, kapasok na. Yung gitna lang ha. Yan, papasok yung gitna lang. Ngayon, nagpe-play pa siya. Once na sinarado natin, yan, hindi na mabubuksan. Kasi sinarado na natin, dito natin siya bubuksan. Yun, bukas na yan. So, pasok natin yung latch assembly. Pasok natin siya. Then, ipe-press ko yung center. Yan. Dapat yung center lang guys ha. Then, papasok ko ito. Pe-press ko siya. Yung gitna lang ang kailangan kong pasok. Okay. Subukan natin. Yun, nandun na siya. Then, i-lock natin ha. Tingnan natin kung mabubuksan pa sa labas. Yun, hindi na mabuksan. Dito na lang natin mabubuksan yan. Yan, okay na yan guys. Pag ganyan, pwede natin itulak tong latch assembly natin at tornilyo. Yung tornilyohan na yan, ilalagay naman natin ere. Pag ganyan ang mulagay ha, huwag pa ganyan. Yun. Then, yung plate niya clockwise. Then, ihanap lang natin ito dito. Yan, may butas na yan. Is, tatapat naman natin ere. Yan. Then, pasok natin. Yan, okay na. Hindi na matatanggal. Okay, testingin natin. Lock. 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 buksan dito. Yan, hindi na mabuksan. Dito lang siya mabubuksan. Yun, lumabas na. Yan, ganyan lang guys. Ayun, tingnan nyo, nagre-response na itong ating lock. Buksan natin sa labas. Hindi mabuksan. Sa loob lang yan. Yun.
Isipan mo, isusulat niya yun sa puso mo. Pagka yung kautusan ngayon, ginagawa na po natin, mga kapatid, yung budhi natin nagpapatotoo doon sa kautusan na ginagawa natin, kumukumporme yung ating budhi doon po sa ating ginagawa po sa atin at inilagay ng Diyos sa ating kaisipan at sa ating pong mga puso. Kaya magka-sync yung budhi natin, yung isip natin na pinaglagyan ng utos, yung puso natin na sinulatan ng utos, pati yung budhi natin, magkakaugnay po yun, mga kapatid. Nagpapatotoo yung ating budhi. Ayan, tama yan. Yan talaga yung utos. Yan talaga yung dapat nating ginagawa, mga kapatid. Kaya napakahalaga po na magkaroon tayo at makapag-ingat tayo ng malinis na budhi. Dahil pag hindi gano'n tayo, hindi natin ma-achieve yung ating goal. Hindi tayo makakatanggap ng putong na katwiran dahil nag-fail tayo. Kaya napaka-importante po pala, mga kapatid, na mapagsanayan din natin ang mayroon tayong malinis na budhi. Walang kapaslangan sa Diyos, walang kapaslangan sa mga tao, wala kang iniisip na masama sa kapwa, wala kang anumang laban sa Diyos, tanggap mo ang kanyang kalooban, di ba? Wala ka ring balak na masama sa kapwa. Hindi yung nakikipagkapwa-tao ka, nakikipagkapatiran ka, pero meron ka palang ibang binabala na pagka, di ba may mga ganun tayong mga na kararanasan kung minsan, akala mo ganun, pero meron palang balak na hindi po maganda. Kaya check din natin, mga kapatid. Pagka po ang budhi natin mali, iba na po tayo doon sa ating sinampalatayanan. Check natin budhi natin, mga kapatid. May problema. Hindi tayo makakatapos ng takbo. Hindi tayo pwedeng makipagbaka ng mabuting pakikipagbaka. Di natin maiingatan ang pananampalataya kung hindi po tayo makapagsasanay na magkaroon lagi ng budhi na malinis o ng budhing walang kapaslangan sa Diyos at sa mga tao.